In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Calendly link URL in just 5 minutes. Whether you need to update your link to reflect a new business name, organization, or simply want something more memorable, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, let's head over to calendly.com. It's a good idea to have your login credentials ready so the process goes smoothly. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the login button. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring you to the login page. Here, you'll need to enter your email address. Make sure you enter it correctly, as entering the wrong details could delay the process. After typing your email, press continue. Now it's time to enter your password. Once this is entered, click continue again to access your account. Now that you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Calendly homepage. In the top right corner of the page, you'll see your profile icon. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From here, locate and click on the option that says My Link. This is where you can update your Calendly link. You'll notice an existing link in the input field. What you need to do first is to remove the existing details. Click into the field, highlight the current URL and delete it. Once that's done, it's time to enter your desired link details. This is your chance to personalize your Calendly link to better suit your needs. Think of something that's easy to remember yet professional. When you've decided on a suitable link, type it into the input field. Be sure to double check your spelling to ensure everything is exactly as you want. Remember, your link is a part of your professional toolkit, so make it count. Once you're satisfied with your new link, scroll down to find the Save Changes button. Click on it to ensure your changes are saved. You'll want to confirm that your new link is active, so try copying and pasting it into a new browser tab to ensure it directs you to your Calendly page. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your Calendly link URL in just a few minutes. This new link can now be shared with clients, partners, or anyone who needs to schedule time with you. Keep in mind that changing your URL can have implications if the old link has been widely distributed, so be sure to communicate any updates as necessary. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need to update your Calendly URL. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.